Kelb in Hamar? What is that? I don't know about that. I don't know that one, Rafael. From the moon. Just kidding. Harpal Singh, hello, welcome. Harpal Singh, thank you so much. Kara, where are you from? Kara is from Albania, numero uno. Tired, Aniket, I'm tired. Kara is enjoying, guys. She went beach today. I want to move there. Where's Samantha? You want to move in Philippines, Samantha? You need too good sleep, Kara. You are tired. To Philippines, Samantha? Do you want to move in Philippines, Samantha? I fish the Philippines only caught one fish in 6 months. Of course not, Charles. One fish? Which side is that? Funny, Charles. Yes, Philippines. Oh my God, Samantha. Okay, you are welcome there, Samantha. You are welcome. You can go there, Samantha. Let me know, Samantha. Let me know if you wanna go there. Oh, I can be your... Okay. I think I will work with you guys. I will be your tour guide, lol. If Charles comes also. Okay, okay, Samantha. Charles, you wanna go Philippines, Charles? Samantha wants to go with you there, Charles. Charles, you better become a vegetarian. Vegetarian, I don't know. I have vegetarian colleague also. I thought heaven. What is that, numero uno? I want to move there. Wait, I'm reading back the comments, guys. Maybe I missed something. Modswag, hello, welcome back. It's 6 in the morning and I am going to sleep now. Okay, good night, numero uno. God bless you. Geraldo Ventura, Samantha Perez, yes, Filipinas, hello. Abdul Rahman, hello. Modswag, hello. Charles, you better become a vegetarian. Come on, Samantha. I know the way. Okay. Charles, Samantha wants to go with you, Charles. Geraldo, I'm Latina. Arvin Prajapati, hello Arvin, welcome back. Abdul Rahman, hello. Aniket, are you at work? Yes, he is at work, Kara. Pupunta ako sa Samanda, ansar. Yeah, Charles and Samantha are going to Philippines. Wow. Let's do a photo shoot. Kanwar Pal, good morning. Photo shoot. Also vegetables. Long time between fish, Charles. I know the whole world live in Philippines. I know the whole world. I live in Philippines. Balso, Bora Island, only fishing. Big fishes, barracuda, barramundi, bluefin, tuna, giant lobster, giant squids. Samantha, come with me. Okay, Samantha, you can go with Rafael also if Charles will not go there yet. Yes, Kara at work. Oh my God, I think I read the comments late, guys. Hello, Kapi. Welcome, Kapi. Please like and subscribe. Samantha, Rafael, I'm allergic to seafood. Oh my God, Samantha, seafood, it's so nice. But you know, Samantha, I think you start to... Did you try to eat? Don't eat directly the shrimp, by the way. Start with fish. Samantha, start with fish. Because shrimp, yes, a lot of people got an allergy with shrimp. Even me, lately I got allergy with shrimp. But with fish, I don't think so. I think it's okay. You look like my model. How to be a model? I don't even know to pose to be a model. Oh my God.